along with Tyrkhong, we fought together and chased away the British. Will do the same to chase all these illegal immigrants. We will not surrender. And I'll speak in Hindi to those illegal immigrants right now, face to face. ये राज्य कोई अंजू पंजू ये एक शेर का राज है। पन्ना पन्ना छान के देखो 1829 से 1833 तक तुम लोग ने आंख में हाथ लगाए, देख अब क्या होगा। I convey this message to the government, to the Mekhla demonic alliance. I have seen through different notifications that you seek help from the Indian Army. Remember, Indian Army are to protect the country, not to protect the internal battle of our right. This is our clear message, and I would like to say once again, so like I said just now, a chick of and new trip, we are